feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
The difference between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi lies in speed, range, and interference. 2.4 GHz offers wider coverage but at slower speeds and is more prone to interference from other devices. 5 GHz provides faster speeds with less interference but has a shorter range. To choose, consider your needs. Use 2.4 GHz for better range or connecting devices through walls. Opt for 5 GHz for faster speeds and streaming high-definition content. Many modern routers offer both and can automatically switch between frequencies based on signal strength and connection.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.